Right, boys. I've assigned a reading fluency recording that you need to do in McGraw-Hill. So if you go into your to-do list, you will see there. Now, I'm going to use the demo one that I've set up in Abdullah's account, but your one will be this one here. It will say T3W4 Reading Fluency Recording. But just to show you how to do it, I'm going to go through and do the demo one. And what you're going to do is you're going to say make a recording. So you press down and it says make a recording. All right, let me bring that there. Right, so here you have your audio recorder, you have the record button, and then you have the book that has been assigned to you below. Now, if you look at that book, you will see that it's the book called Mars. And as you go down, scroll down, you'll see that it moves through to the chapters, the index page with the chapters. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to ignore the introduction and we're going to go right through to chapter 1, and it says Discovering Mars. And then what you will do is you will read through that. But what I suggest you do is first just do a practice run. Don't do anything with the recording. Just go through the text and read through it and get yourself familiar with the text. So you would go through that text. Don't read the table, don't just read the words from the text. The table, for instance, like this here, don't read that. Don't worry about that. Uh, that's not going to really help because you were busy testing or assessing your reading fluency. So you just work through your reading fluency and you have you carry on reading right down. And what I suggest you do is read for at least 2 minutes. Okay, so all diagrams, all captions, ignore those. Only read the text, okay? The text that's giving you the explanation or the writing for the book. And what you would do then is you would press record. Now you press record and you'll see that there is a line that's showing that there's a level, a audio level that's showing that your recording is going through. If you don't have that audio level, then there's obviously something wrong with your mic. Now, you will see that it's counting down, so I would go straight over to chapter 1 and then I'd start reading. And it says Discovering Mars. Mars would be a difficult place to visit. It is dry, cold, and it doesn't seem to have any life. However, Mars is the planet in our solar system that is most like Earth. It has seasons and an atmosphere. Now, like I said, I'm going to ignore the table and I'm going to go straight down to the next part. And it says astronomers have gathered a lot of information about Mars over time. However, sometimes the conclusions they made about Mars were wrong. So I will continue reading for at least 2 minutes. You see, I will continue reading until I'll go over 2 minutes. And once I'm done with that, I'll go over to the finish. And then you press finish. And what it has there is there's options for you. You can either listen to your recording or you can attach it and send it straight to me thinking if you're confident that you've done everything right, or you could redo it and redo it again. Now, once you're confident with that recording, all you're going to do then is you're going to press attach, and then the recording will be attached and sent through to me. And that will basically be that. You'll be finished off your reading fluency, and I'll basically be able to then check on your reading fluency from my side. So please, boys, do this for me and make sure that you are the one that's reading because I know your voices, so I know whether it is you or not you reading through that reading fluency recording. So please have that done. This needs to be done by Tuesday. You need to do that by Tuesday this week. Thank you.